Welcome, everyone. Today we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. Our goal is to unravel the mysteries of AI and introduce you to ChatGPT, an amazing AI tool. Whether you're a tech newbie or just curious, this guide is for you. We'll start with a quick look at AI's history. Then we'll explore current trends and the future of AI. After that, we'll take a closer look at different types of AI, with a special focus on ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have tips to use ChatGPT effectively. Ready to dive in? Let's go. AI isn't just for techies anymore, it's for everyone, and soon you'll see how easy and fun it can be. So, fasten your seatbelts. This journey promises to be both educational and entertaining. Let's make AI less intimidating and more accessible. Here we go. Artificial intelligence has been a dream for decades. It all started with the idea of creating machines that could think. Early pioneers like Alan Turing asked if machines could mimic human intelligence. In the 1950s, AI research began to take shape. Early AI programs could play chess or solve math problems. By the 1980s and 1990s, AI had advanced significantly. Machine learning became a key focus, allowing computers to learn from data. The 21st century brought a revolution in AI. Today, AI is everywhere, from smartphones to self-driving cars. And this brings us to ChatGPT, a marvel of modern AI. AI is evolving rapidly. One major trend is the integration of AI into everyday devices. From smart home assistants like Alexa to personalized recommendations on streaming services, AI is becoming a part of our daily lives. It's making tasks easier and more efficient. Another exciting trend is AI in healthcare. AI systems can analyze medical data to diagnose diseases early. They can also assist doctors in planning treatments. This potential to save lives is one of AI's most promising applications. Looking to the future, AI holds even more potential. Imagine AI systems that can understand human emotions and respond accordingly, or AI that can create art and music, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. The possibilities are endless. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations are crucial. We must ensure AI is used for good and doesn't harm society. As we move forward, balancing innovation with ethical standards will be key. AI is a broad field with various types. First, there's narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri and recommendation algorithms on social media. They're smart but limited to their designated functions. Then we have general AI. This type aims to mimic human intelligence across a range of tasks. It's still a work in progress and exists mostly in theory. Achieving general AI would mean creating machines that can think and reason like humans. A subset of AI that's gaining attention is machine learning. Here, computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child through examples. This is the technology behind many modern AI applications. Now let's spotlight ChatGPT. It's a type of narrow AI, specifically a language model. It can understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This makes it incredibly useful for tasks like answering questions, writing essays, and more. ChatGPT has taken the world by storm. Developed by OpenAI, it's based on the GPT-3 architecture. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This model can generate text that feels surprisingly human. It's like having a virtual assistant that writes, chats, and even jokes. What makes ChatGPT special is its ability to understand context. It reads your input and generates a coherent response. This makes interactions smooth and natural. From customer service to content creation, ChatGPT is used in diverse fields. Yet it can sometimes produce incorrect or biased information. It's essential to use it as a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. To navigate the world of AI, it's helpful to know some key terms. Let's start with algorithm. It's a set of rules a computer follows to solve a problem. In AI, algorithms are used to process data and make decisions. Next, machine learning refers to systems that learn from data. They improve over time without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a dog new tricks through practice and rewards. Neural network is another important term. It's a series of algorithms that mimic the human brain. These networks are the backbone of deep learning, enabling computers to recognize patterns and make predictions. Finally, training data is the information used to teach AI models. The more data an AI has, the better it performs. ChatGPT, for instance, was trained on diverse text data to understand and generate human-like responses. Creating good prompts for ChatGPT is an art. The clearer your input, the better the output. Start with specific questions. Instead of asking, "Tell me about AI," try, "What are the key differences between AI and machine learning?" Context is crucial. Provide enough details for ChatGPT to understand your query. For example, if you're asking for a recipe, specify the type of cuisine or ingredients you prefer. This helps the AI generate more relevant responses. Another tip is to use simple language. Avoid jargon or overly complex sentences. ChatGPT performs best when the input is straightforward and easy to understand. Think of it as talking to a friend who knows a lot but appreciates clarity. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different phrasings and see what works best. The more you interact with ChatGPT, the better you'll get at creating prompts that yield useful and interesting responses. Using ChatGPT can be fun and productive. Here are some practical tips to get the most out of it. First, always double-check the information it provides. While ChatGPT is smart, it's not infallible. Verify facts, especially if you're using the information for important tasks. Next, use ChatGPT for brainstorming. Stuck on a project? Ask it for ideas. It can help you think outside the box and spark creativity. But remember, it's a tool to assist, not replace your own thinking. Set boundaries. If you're using ChatGPT for work, define what tasks it can help with. This ensures you use it effectively without becoming overly reliant. It's there to support, not to take over. Lastly, have fun with it. ChatGPT can tell jokes, write stories, and even chat about hobbies. Use it to explore new interests or just to relax. The more you engage with it, the better you'll understand its capabilities and limitations. We've covered a lot today. From AI's history to the wonders of ChatGPT, you've taken a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Remember, AI is a powerful tool. It's here to help us, not replace us. With the right knowledge, you can make the most of it. ChatGPT is just one example of how AI is becoming more accessible. By learning how to use it effectively, you can enhance your productivity and creativity. Don't be intimidated. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. So, go ahead and explore. Try out ChatGPT, experiment with different prompts, and most importantly, have fun. AI is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep engaging. Thank you for joining this journey. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others. Let's make the wonders of AI accessible to everyone. Happy exploring!